Hey, my beautiful Leos, welcome to Soulful Intuitive Tarot. How are you all doing? So, we are going to do a general love reading for you and your person and the situation you are in. And these are general love readings, so if they resonate with you, it's good. But if they don't, please look for your sun, moon, and rising videos. And keep in mind, roles can be reversed and cross watchers are welcome. I don't do reversals, guys, so keep in mind. And do like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Let's start. What are your feelings? We have the Temperance. Angel, spirits, and guides, please tell me, how do my Leo sees their person as? We have 3 cards. Okay. You are trying to make a these are what you're feeling right now, just trying to maintaining balance. Okay. And then we have, in your feelings, we have 9 of Wands, Wheel of Fortune, and 3 of Wands. Okay. um you see some kind of positivity in this connection, and but it is a lot of hard work, like, but you see, you have left things to the divine. You have, you are at your, like, just maintaining that, like, whatever happens, I have to live with this person. It's like you have, like, you're very stubborn about kind of a thing, but that's really nice, like, not a bad stubborn. Okay. This is like, he's my person, he or she is my person, so I have to stay by them. However tough it is, however painful it is, I have to pull it up, right? That kind of feeling, Leo. Yes, you are very faithful, you are very persistent. If you love someone, you want to be with them. That is the energy you think your person also has. Okay. Okay, now what are your person's feelings for you? We have 3 of Coins. Your person, like, uh, they want to work towards this connection. Okay. They, but still there is something that is not right. That is why, Leo, you have come to this reading. Let's see, what are you hoping for in this connection? Now let's see how your person views you first. Let's see. Spirits and guides, please tell me, how does Leo's person views them? How does Leo's person views them? Okay, we have the 8 of Coins. They view you as your way walking away. Okay, so roles can be reversed, guys. This can be you, your person. Someone is very persistent, that they, however painful it is, they have to work through it. But someone wants to walk away. They are just giving up hope. But we have, what are you feeling like? What are you hoping for? 8 of Wands. You want communication. You want to talk to them. Okay, one of you wants to talk. One of you wants to open the lines of communication. There must be, like, no talking right now. Okay, what are your person hoping for? Devil. Yeah, they think this is, like, very burdening, and yes, one of you is, like, really thinks that this is a too much of work kind of a situation. And but one of you is, like, maintaining balance in the situation, trying hard, like, manifesting kind of energy here. Wheel of Fortune, 3 of Wands, 9 of Wands. Yes, very strong energy of perseverance, that whatever happens, I will not give up kind of a thing. Leos don't give up easily. Yes, that's true, and I think that is the energy. Okay, now we have, what action you plan to take with this person is Page of Wands. Yes, you want to start again from the beginning, like, whatever happened, you want to forget the past and you want to start again. Okay, now we have, what action your person wants to take is Queen of Wands. Yes, they are very passionate, though. They do want to start off again. They do want to communicate with you. Let's see, what is the outcome of the situation with Leo? My spirits and guides, please tell me, what is the outcome of the situations for this situation, for my Leo? outcome in this situation for my Leos. So we have the 7 of coins. Yes, they too, you both want to, will clarify 7 of coins. Yes, this is like waiting patiently kind of energy. Hermit, yes, you both are like waiting on this but not giving up, going inwards, finding out whether it is worth fighting for or not. The Hermit energy and Devil and the 8 of Cups, and the Hermit says that yes, you are contemplating on the situation, whether to fight for it or not, whether it is worth fighting for. Okay, then we have the Moon and the King of Swords. Definitely things are hidden and you want to know where is this, where is your person's energy getting, why are they not making effort towards you, and why is all this conflict happening between you guys. You want a clear answer because you just don't want to be in this Moon energy, the Hermit energy. Okay, so you both are going inwards, taking your time. 7 of coins is waiting energy, waiting patiently for something to happen. Maybe there is going to be a communication between you. The center of the reading is the main energy. Okay, we'll pull out some romance angel cards for you guys, for my beautiful Leos. Let's start. I don't do reversals, guys. If a card falls reverse, I will put it up, put it straight. Okay, let's see. Spirits, guides and angel, please tell me what is coming up in December 2nd week. Wedding. Wow, this situation involves wedding. Okay, this 10 of coins can be a wedding they are involved in. They are walking away from it because we have the 8 of Cups here. They are walking away, and the Devil energy, that can be possible. And other story is like they are thinking of walking away from the situation they are involved with you right now. So there are two possibilities in this scenario, and it involves wedding. That can be your wedding with them. You deserve love, you are lovable. Okay, we'll pull out one more card for you, Leo, to clarify this. Spirits, guys, please tell me something about Leo. What do they look forward to in this connection? What do Leo look forward to in this connection? Flirt. Extend your light-hearted energy to others. So it is possible that you are trying to move away from this connection and putting your interest, your energy into different places, different situation, and trying to manifest love in your life away from this. But still, someone is very persistent on making this right and having so this is for the 2nd week of Leo. So we'll see what happens in the next reading. Okay, let's call it, and we will pull out some tea leaf cards. Let's see what is coming up. What do you need to be looking up for? Spirits, guys, please tell me about Leos. Universe, spirits and guides, please tell me about Leos. 3 cards. One more. Yeah. We have the dog, the bear, sorry, and the sun. Wow. Very good. The outcome, whatever it is, either you are moving away or you are staying in the connection, either which way, the energies are of happiness and well-being. Okay, dog. Getting together with friends. So you are having loyal friends with you. Dog is like a symbol of loyalty. So your friends will help you. Bear. Danger, especially in money matters. So be very careful, Leos, with your money matters. And I hope this is a warning for you, whatever your money matters you are dealing with right now. So be a little extra cautious that you don't spend too much or you don't invest somewhere which is little risky. Listen to your intuition and it will help you. So Leos, this was your reading. I hope this helped all my Leos, and we'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye and take care.